Hello, my name is Mikah Hughes, and I'm an instructional designer at Eastern Kentucky University. I worked with Dr. Chad Foster to design and develop his HLS 461 Disaster Resilience course. When asked what makes HLS 461 stand apart, Dr. Foster noted that the strengths would be the weekly activities and assignments, which include the use of online videos and case studies, VoiceThread, more traditional assessment activities, and, of course, a new Google Slides collaborative activity. Now, many students noted in course evaluations that they enjoyed this new collaborative activity, which was initially a surprise for us. As the instructional designer for the undergraduate Homeland Security courses at EKU, I can say that what I believe helps this course stand apart from others is the instructor involvement and dedication throughout the entire course delivery. Even in this showcase course, you can see the clear engagement present in the weekly announcements and weekly videos provided. Now, the overall course template is in line with all EKU online Homeland Security courses. We have the landing page as the announcement page, and a how to get started message that all students see before they really jump into the course. The left-hand navigation is broken up into 3 key sections. The first section provides the announcements, instructor information, and the syllabus. The second section focuses on content that the students will be needing the most as they go through the course. This includes discussion boards, weekly lessons and assignments, and the course documents page. The last section is what we call the helpful links section that provides students with quick links to my grades, tools, student support services, library resources, and smart thinking. If we look at the second navigation section again, you will see that this course utilizes 2 different types of discussion boards. We have the overall course discussion board that houses the virtual office and class lounge, and these are ungraded forms for the students, as well as a groups discussion board that provides the weekly discussion board activities. The weekly lessons and assignments page provides a weekly breakdown of course content for students. Now, we have something called an academic integrity policy that they have to review before these become available to them. Once they review that, the entire course is available, and you can see that it provides a date breakdown for each week as well. Now, if we peek into one of these folders, you'll see that each folder provides objectives, a numbered task list, instructor notes on the given reading with appropriate citations, and then the actual assignments for that week as well. That really covers the main components of the course. Thanks for watching.